Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making ragi or finger millet dosa. This is a super healthy way to make a dosa. So let's begin. The first step is to soak all the grains. Here I have about 1 cup of ragi or finger millet and 1 cup of idli rice. This is a different type of rice. This is basically parboiled and it's very easily available in the market. Now wash the two very thoroughly and add enough water to soak them. Here I have added 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds or methi and let that soak for 8 hours. Now in a different bowl I have taken 2/3 of a cup of urad dal or white gram. I have taken whole urad, but you can use the split variety and you can mix all the grains together as well. I just didn't have a big enough bowl because urad does double in size, so I'm soaking it separately. And wash it thoroughly and let that soak for 8 hours. Here I have a wet grinder. It's used to crush grains and make a smooth batter. I am adding the soaked white gram into it and I am adding the rest of the grains too. If you don't have this machine, you can use a mixer jar and it will work perfectly. Now I'm adding about 2.5 cups of water. You can adjust this measurement according to the consistency. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin. Now we'll keep it running for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is the batter. Now we will let this ferment overnight. Here it is important to use a much bigger bowl because this will ferment to twice its size. This is after 8 hours. This has fermented beautifully. It is double in size. I am adding salt to taste and mixing everything together. Now we'll make the dosas. I have heated a cast iron skillet. After it gets sufficiently hot, I am ladling in the dosa batter. After there are no visible wet spots, brush it with some oil and flip it and it's ready to serve. Follow these steps till all the batter is used. Now we'll also make some coconut chutney to accompany the dosas. For that, in a mixer, add 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies, 1/4 cup of roasted gram dal, salt to taste and about half a cup of fresh coriander, and blend everything to a fine paste. This looks great. Just squeeze in half a lemon and stir it. Finally, let's make the tempering or the tadka for the chutney. For that, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. After it is sufficiently hot, add half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, some curry leaves, and finally some red chilies, and switch off the flame. Now pour this when it is hot over the chutney and mix it, and that's it. Ragi dosa with coconut chutney is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all very soon with a new vegan recipe. Bye.